Main bypass Dardale. Sorry if you are Indian. I tried to say I'm back in Indian. I butchered it so hard.
India, Apollo. Not India.
Anyway, d18. This one's strange. So, sorry to make you come up here. Lower it down. This one has kind of a hexagonal cut, but it's more octagonal, I guess. We gotta get to main stuff, so cut to the chase. 5 things I love about this thing. Say you can't afford a big dice like a d60 or a d100, and you want something to just roll forever. Since this thing's rolled out of sphere, it does that. There are some downsides to that as well. Number 2, it looks like the d12 enough, but almost looks like a d20, which will be in our next episode. Number 3, it's really rounded, because it was originally round, and yeah, it's good. Number 4, even though it was molded out of a sphere, it's still been in a rock tumbler dice lab. You think of everything. And number 5, it just is weird. It's great. It sits weird, it looks weird, but it's fun. 3 things that could be better. This thing is not stable. And there it goes. Number 2, doesn't really sit if you drop it. And number 3, say your table's tilted up, maybe that high. Starts, not gonna stop. So you have to have a really level surface to roll in. But, size comparison. Here is a d6. Finally, Dice Lab. I really like how you fixed the ones and made it a fair bit bigger. Here's it next to a d12. The d12 is a little wider from the top, but the d18 is taller. Time to roll. First is the light roll. It's still going. That's like 2 feet. And here's the heavy roll. Clear off the table. Alright, spinning. It's really good at spinning. Look at that. It looks almost hexagonal when it spins. It's moving. If it spins long enough to roll off the table. I just bought this thing like 3 days ago. So, you're learning this thing with me. Did spin long enough. Now I'm going to spin it and lift the table off. So, see if it's somewhat good at that. It did really good. Or not. And if it's even just sitting still, we'll put the 18 up. Just to prove. Lifting the table up. It's doing really good. What the? It's doing so good. That's like 43 slant. But if it's on like this slant, if it's on a slightly smaller slant, like that, lightest touch. Oh, I like that. So if I had to sum this thing up, it would be d18. Love it first roll. This thing's great. And since now we're getting into the bigger dice, I'm going to give it a score, and Grumpy, can you give it a score as well? My score is probably a 9 out of 10. It's great, but it has some downsides. What would you score it, Grumpy?
22.7.
Out of 10?
No, out of 43.
Okay. Heard it right there, folks. 22.7 out of 43. So, in our next episode, we'll be tackling the largest dice usually used in games, the d20. Anyway, until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.